What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix headphone and microphone not working in Windows 11. First thing you need to do is to check your input microphone settings. Click the search icon below and search for sound settings. Open the System Settings app. Now look for the input device and select the microphone you are using. Test your microphone if it is working by checking if the selected input device has a sound wave when you're speaking through your microphone. After that, check if your microphone is allowed to be accessed by apps. Go over to your system settings. Then click Privacy. Then look for the app permissions and select Microphone. Next, toggle on the button under the Allow apps to access your microphone. When you're done with that, try to update your microphone driver. Go over to your device manager. Expand the audio inputs and outputs. Next, select the microphone device you're using. Then right-click on it. Select the update driver. Then choose the search automatically for drivers. After doing that, try to see if the problem is now fixed. If not, then try to run Troubleshooter. Click the search icon below and search for Troubleshoot settings and open it. Next, click the additional troubleshooters. Then click the recording audio option and press the Run Troubleshooter. Wait for it to finish detecting and fixing the issue. After that, restart your computer and your microphone should now be working.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.